So forgive my looks. I just had an interview. By the way, I'm feeling my new style. So for the taste, I thought looking good. I don't know if this camera is doing it justice. But so let me see. I want some avocado. I could use a little more salt since I didn't put salt in the vegetables. The salt that I used to cook the beans is what so that's what I'm using.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Let me show you how I make my salad. So it just came to me. I was literally boiling this and I was like, okay, what am I going to have it with? Rice? Boring. Then I'm like, but I want to eat it healthy. So I googled up a recipe and it's, well, normally it's black beans. The recipe that I've seen is black beans, but I'll use what I have. These are Masaavu beans, if you can see. Let me give you a close-up. These are Masaavu, Masaavu. I don't have them raw. I didn't take a picture of them, or rather I would have showed you. So we have beans as the main ingredient, and then we have onions. I use this size, about 3 of them. Then we have green pepper, tomatoes. These 3 ingredients you can do without. I feel like you can do without. This is cucumber, carrots, and I don't know, cornmeal. It's called cornmeal, parsley. I don't know. Then I have some avocado with me. Mine is really too ripe. It's past. It's really, really ripe. Anyway, so of course I have my beans here that I've already shown. Main ingredient. Then I cut out some avocado. That's half of the avocado. Then I soaked the onions in vinegar so they can remove that. I don't know, it just tastes better with soaked vinegar. So like when I soak them in vinegar, they just taste way better. So I have that. Then I have cut the 1 cucumber. I should have cut, I think half a cucumber can work if you're 1 person, because I'm the only one going to have this, but I don't have storage for cucumber. So I have 1 green pepper, then 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and then 1 whole cucumber. But I feel like you can really get away with the half. Then I have the parsley here. The parsley is there. Then, so now what I'm going to do is mix the, I'll mix the beans into the salad mixture, or to make the salad. But for the beans, I boiled them with salt. So I put salt there to boil, so they're saturated there. How can I say? The salt is inside the beans, so I believe even if I just bite the beans alone, it will be yummy. So yeah, so you can use, I feel like you can use any spatula or cutlery. I feel like you can get away with anything, so I don't have any fancy cutlery. So I'll grab these. I'm contemplating adding some olive oil, but I think I'll add it at the end. Then yeah, so I'm just going to add the beans here. But the portion of the beans is I just cook 2 scoops of the normal spatula. Is it the normal? It's ekijiko ekinene ekyaki. I should have added this one at a time, but you know what? So I added 2 of these. Yeah, 2 of these. So far, this is how this looks. I feel like it looks already yummy. No smell to it, nothing. Yeah, so for the salt, I try not to use raw salt, but here and there I do. Let me say I limit the consumption of raw salt because I've heard it has bad effects or something like that. So now I feel like my onions are ready, and I will just, whenever I'm going to eat, I'm just going to sprinkle all that, you know, not sprinkle, just pour them in. The vinegar, I'm already salivating. The vinegar just adds that tinge, I feel like. So yeah, this is my salad, Masaavu, using Masaavu beans. If you're Ugandan, you know. Let me know if you tried this, or you know what you used or what you hope to use. Yeah, let me enjoy this.